Being rich makes everything easier. Wait, what is he doing? Time for a magic solution. Aha! Mom has a clever idea. Look, just a gentle magic breeze. Wait, now it's her turn? Whoa! Firepower activated! Uh-oh, that is way too hot. Yikes! The shirt is burning! Wait, let's combine our magic power! Amazing! Look at those sparks! Wow! Everything is super clean now! Nice! Teamwork wins! Now let's see how polar magic works! Oh no! The cardboard machine broke down! Yikes! Smoke everywhere! No problem. A plastic basin works fine. Look! Water magic to the rescue! Mom adds her green magic energy. Whoa! Fresh, colorful flower petals! Hand washing with flower scent power! Haha! Simple magic is super fun! Epic water gun battle in progress! Uh-oh! Mom just walked in! Wait. Is she going to sneeze? She's trying so hard to stop it! Whoa! That sneeze has superpowers! Haha! Sent him flying into the wall! Quick! Cover her mouth before another one! Whoa! Fire shield activated! Oh, disaster avoided! Meanwhile, over at the poorhouse… Oops! Cookie crumbs all over the floor! Don't worry, Mom will sweep it up. Uh-oh! Sweeping made it fly everywhere! Wait, did she just summon a magic spell? Whoa! The living room is overflowing with water! Phew! Glad everything is dry again! Smart! A plastic bag sneeze protector! Haha! Clean sneeze completed! Nice! Whoa! It's way too hot in here! Uh-oh! That fur coat isn't helping!
Oh my god!
Look at this sweaty pillow! Ew! What is that smell? Haha! Someone needs a shower! Oops! How embarrassing! Look! A golden shower head! Wow! Magic camping shower! Time to wash your hair! Uh-oh! What's wrong? Yikes! It's freezing cold! Wait! She has an idea! What? Firepower warm-up! Nice! Perfect warm water! Setting up camp at last! Wait, do you smell that? Oops! Someone smells funky! Ew! Not again, Mom!
Oh no!
Watch this cool magic trick! Whoa! She summoned a rain cloud! Haha! Natural outdoor shower! Yay! Fresh and squeaky clean! Look at that shiny hair! One final magic touch! Aww! A pretty flower crown! Yay! Best camping trip ever! Rich camping feels like total luxury! Yummy! Cheers to the good life! Wait, is it getting hot? Uh-oh! It is way too warm! Look! She's calling personal service! Whoa! Not a fire extinguisher! Oops! Wrong idea, Mr. Bear! Watch this magic transformation! Nice! A fan made of money!
Okay.
Now that's real VIP cooling! Haha! So refreshing! Now let's see poor camping! Uh-oh! Look at those dark clouds! Oh no! A storm is coming! Wait! Don't panic yet! Look! Magic power activate! Whoa, a giant bubble shield! Cool! The rain can't hit them! Haha! Superpowers win the day! Rich bed versus poor floor. Let's go! Uh-oh. Where did she go? Ouch! Sleeping on the cold floor? Wait, Rich Mom has an idea! Whoa! Summoning magic fluffy clouds! Look! Real cloud fluff raining down! Nice! Spreading the softest cloud mattress! Haha! Time to jump into ultimate comfort! Aw, so cozy and warm now! Sweet dreams on a cloud bed! Now, what about the poor team? Yikes! Sleeping on hard cardboard! Uh-oh! Rolled onto the bare floor! Oh no! That hurts so much! Wait! Mom got a brilliant idea! Wow! Green magic spell activated! Yay! A golden flower gift! Look! More green magic power! Cool! Transforming cardboard into leafy carpet! Now her turn! Sparkly blue flower magic! Amazing! A bed of blooming flowers! Aww! Best garden nap ever!